Supreme Colgate. Whoa. Hello YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog, and today we're going to talk about sneakers because it's been a while since we talked about shoes. We've been talking about investments, we've been talking about face masks, we've been talking about a lot of other stuff apart from what this channel was originally built for. So today I am going to unbox a sneaker that I got hooked up on. So somebody was in the outlet in Laguna, I think, and they saw it sitting on shelf, and it was a shoe that I never expected would sit on the outlet, but apparently it did, and I kind of get it why, because it is pricey AF. I think the SRP and not even the resale price of this shoe is over 16,000 pesos, over $300 friggin' dollars. So it is an expensive sneaker, and that's probably the reason why not a lot of people bought it, and that's why it's sitting over at the outlet. So today's episode, we will be unboxing it, checking it out, putting it on feet, and I'll share my experience with it. Shout out to Neil for hooking me up on this one. Bro, maraming salamat. I appreciate you guys. He has a podcast on social media marketing. Check it out. I will link it down below. Let's get to the unboxing. Before we get to the unboxing, can I just say that this is the nicest G-Shock ever. My rings are here, so I still have to wear them. But yeah, my main point is that this is one of the most stunning rugged G-Shocks I've ever seen. So watch out for my review of this one in my watch channel. I'll link my watch channel down below. Super nice, no? Really nice watch. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Nike Free TR MMW, and as you guys can see over here, the original price is 16,495, and there was a 10% discount, and the price is 14,495, and it is a giant box, and we will be unboxing it. Now this one is actually by, I think it's like a collaboration between Alex founder and creative director Matthew M. Williams. And his plan was to create like some sort of modern urban wear. So let's take a look. So it comes with its own dust bag. That's nice because you are paying like a ridiculous premium for this. Says here on the tissue paper, we train with patience. Training is incremental improvement. It is a ritual of solidarity and discipline. Ba-bam! This is the sneaker. This is the Nike TR3, Free TR3 MMW. Man, it is crazy. That is just insane. So as you guys can see, it has some sort of like Vibram outsole or midsole. This is actually a cramp-on. So it's like two sneakers in one because this is detachable while this is like so you can even wear like a different sneaker, I guess, on top of this one. So this uses the Vibram technology or cushioning tech, and then this is like your typical, I guess, like a free trail run shoe that has your typical materials, which includes like mesh and stuff. Now this one is heavy AF. I can feel it, and I will be putting it on feet now, and I'll let you guys know what I feel about the shoe. Hold on. Oh my god, take a look at that. I feel like it's one of those like robot shoes of the Japanese robots like Voltes 5 or like Gundam. It really feels different, and it looks crazy too. OMG! So how does the sneaker feel on feet? Well, number one, it feels surprisingly comfortable. I thought that it would be very heavy, very uncomfortable, very hard to wear. It is the cushioning of the Vibram like cramp-on works well. The upper material is also great. The upper can be tight, especially if you maximize the length of the Velcro straps or if you tie the shoelaces a bit too much, but you can loosen it up so that it's a little bit more casual and freer. It feels big though, so if there are like oversized shirts, this is an oversized shoe. So just take that into consideration because it really feels like you're wearing two sneakers at the same time without the crazy weight. So that's kudos to Nike and the designer, right? Would I walk in it for like thousands of steps in a day? No. Would I use it as a tactical piece of fashion? For example, if you really want to pull off like a tech wear vibe or a tech wear outfit? Absolutely yes. So it is one of those specialized fashion items that you wear if you are gunning for a particular look, for a particular occasion. But I wouldn't recommend it as something that you would wear on the daily for very obvious reasons. It is hard to pull off unless you have the outfit to match, the outfit to go with it when it comes to, you know, like tactical tech wear pants and like some sort of jacket with a shirt. So there has to be a lot of thought put into putting together an outfit for this shoe. It's not like your typical white pair of kicks that can go with like jeans and a shirt, right? So that's something that you have to take into consideration. So having said that, if you are into tech wear, if you are into that particular vibe, that fashion, then absolutely it works. The prices keep going down. You can probably buy it in the outlet for maybe 20% off eventually, or 30% off. It's not flying off shelves. So if you are a fan of that style, that aesthetic, just wait a little bit more. I think you can get it at a better price, or buy it somebody secondhand. I'm sure they'll sell it to you, because it's not, again, it's not something that you can wear every day unless that's your daily aesthetic. If that is, then you can probably maximize the value out of the money that you put in this pair. But if not, go try something else. So that's actually it for the unboxing of this shoe. Now for the rest of the episode, I'll bring you guys, I'll bring you guys along with me. I'll be heading over to the podium. I have a meeting there, I have a lunch meeting there, and I will probably just check out a few shops, a few stores, and yeah, you can just come along with me. So let's go. Now the big question is, will I wear this for my sneaker of the day? Absolutely not. Let's go with this one. So I am doing a follow-up review of this. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost 21. So watch out for my succeeding episodes comparing this to other sneakers like the Nike React Infinity 2 and several others in the coming days ahead. So let's go. Now before I head out, I want to show you guys something. You know how Supreme makes things super expensive when they collaborate with a particular brand? So apparently there is a Supreme toothpaste. So this is, it's in collaboration with Colgate. So I wonder how much this is. I have no idea. Somebody sent it to me for free. Thank you to whoever sent this. But wow. Ano to, when you use it, Supreme gets typed over your teeth or something. But grabe. Supreme, Colgate. Wow. White sneakers are the best. Guys, dito tayo kasama ang Lazada boy, si Dan. Kaway ka naman, Dan. At si? Pangalan? Ruel. Ayan si Kuya, oh. So guys, meron tayong pasabog. So apparently, si Julius, ayan oh, si Julius, yan, nagtatry. Huwag ka tumingin dito, baka mabangga tayo. Si Julius ay may YouTube channel. So if you guys wanna see him draw different anime characters, he does drawings, that's his wife edits. So panoodin nyo na lang. I will link down below to the YouTube channel of Julius, the artist. O, diba? Saan ka pa? So while we're heading to podium, I just realized, and I wanted to share with you guys, that my favorite Nike shops, one of my favorite Nike shops of all time, has always been Nike Podium. I love their shop because they have really friendly staff, and at the same time, a lot of the Jordans or the nice Nike shoes, hindi naman hype but really still okay, they usually have it in big sizes left over in that particular shop. So every time like I wanted a general release, maybe a Jordan 4, a Jordan 11, even sometimes Jordan 1 lows, nandun lang siya. So it's kind of sad that they closed down. So I saw the notice over at the podium that they already closed. So shout out to all the staff. Maraming salamat for the time, kung nanonood man kayo, for the time that we were able to see each other there. I appreciate all your work, and I hope you guys are able to bounce back, find work again, and be productive. And I hope you're okay, you and your families are okay. So yun lang, my heart goes out to the people who, kung meron man nawalan ng trabaho, sana wala, sana na-move sila. What if ever na nawalan sila ng trabaho, sana makahanap kayo kagad. And again, shout out, thank you to Nike Podium, all the memories that are there. Kwento ko lang, so yung office na yan, that office over there, that's the office of Jollibee. So there was a time when I was in advertising, when I still work in advertising, so I used to run a digital agency, that Jollibee was our client. And I can just remember all the times that I would be there to talk to the marketing teams of Jollibee, and man, they are brilliant. The guys over there are ridiculously amazing. So shout out to Francis Flores, to Arline, to Kat Trevino, to Kent, to all the amazing clients that I've ever had the pleasure, Monica, I've ever had the pleasure of working with over at Jollibee Philippines. You guys are friggin' awesome, and I hope that you're able to bounce back as well from this crazy pandemic. So Jollibee, our meeting just ended. I won't show you guys anymore the mall, obviously, because I have to go home and do a few more calls. But yeah, that's actually it for today's vlog. Just a quick shout out to the wifey, who you know. So make sure that you guys subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. And mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ni Julius. Yan, oh, di ba? Nape-pressure daw siya, guys. So, i-pressure nyo siya. Okay, with that said, that's it for today. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.